Well, many people out there, don't even have a cottage like this to catch up because they lose everything. So I'm just here living and giving thanks, even though I can't make a effort to fix it up back or anything.
As me always say, I know nothing good. Come with me.
Hello, good day. My name is Cave Campbell, and I'm a victim who fall to the natural disaster Hurricane Melissa. And this is my house behind me. So I said I would really appreciate the help in getting back a house to rebuild. Thank you. I can be contacted at 1-876-288-3465, and thank you in advance.
My name is James Douglas, and I'm a resident of Broughton district, and I'm a victim of the Hurricane Melissa. And this is my house. As you can see, I have some chapel near me. You see this side with zinc. So this side was, the whole house was blown down. Some friends I have and put back a roof over my head because I got 3 kids here and a baby mama, so I gotta do what I have to do. So this was struck at the front here, the veranda and the room. It gone. We can't find it right now. I be a rubble. Everything I be a rubble. So me just have to pick up a few pieces so I can pick up and try to get back something going. Yeah. Well, this is my folk where I raise some layer chickens. So this is my business where I used to support my kids and family, and this is what's left of it right now. Most of the chickens died, so I got to put them somewhere else for the time being, and they are not producing any eggs or anything. So it's really hard right now because I have no income. And I would really like the help and support to get this business back up and running. That's how I can support my family. So if anyone want to assist me, my number is 538-0367. Thank you very much for the help or support.
All right, so we are here at Mrs.
Miss Sherry.
Mrs. Sherry, right? And we are in the community of Broughton in Little London, Westmoreland. And this is the home of Mrs. Sherry after the devastating Hurricane Melissa has passed. It has no roof, so if anyone out there would like to give an helping hand by repairing the roof, you can reach out to her at
841-7249.
there you have it, world. Thank you very much.
Good evening. My name is Wendy Sinclair. Pet name Faith. I'm a resident of Broughton district in Little London. I was badly damaged by Hurricane Melissa, so you can come and I can show you the damage. The back part. Yeah. This is what is left of it inside it. And if you can go inside, you can go inside. It won't talk to you. You have to step up. Yeah, this is what happened. The whole stop came off, the Solitex, everything got damaged, the furniture got damaged. As you can see, the door blew off. Everything that's bad happened right here. This is what is left of it.
So everything seems to be water soaked, eh?
Everything water soaked. Documents, everything.
My God.
Because I wasn't here when it happened. Most of these stuff was water damage. I have no choice but to just get rid of them by burning them and so forth, because they're no good again. Stuff run up on them and books get damaged, school children stuff get damaged also. If anyone out there would like to assist me, I will really appreciate it very much. You can contact me at 909-3981. Thank you very much.
My name is Kemar Billings. My roof is gone. You know, 2 of my pliers gone. My bed is wetting up. I'm from Broughton. You know, I need some help. So if you can contact Maggie Films, you contact Maggie Films so I could get some help, please. My roof is gone, you know. The bathroom is blown down, you know. Need some help, so you can contact Maggie Films. Thank you very much.
My name is Janet Beck and I'm a resident from the Broughton, Little London community. My roof has been completely damaged. It has been repaired, but however, the roof is still leaking badly and I would like some help so that I can sleep without rain wetting on my bed and in my house. Come, let me show the condition, guys. We have to... Can I show you in here so we know we tear off? Run at this side to tear off. So inside, guys, here is completely off and the zincs are badly torn. So when the rain falls, guys, I have a lot of water. However, the stop leak that I got is finished, so it can't go no further, guys. So I'm still getting wet inside the room, guys, and in this side of the house. I also have damage inside, guys, because I have a split right in the middle of my room here, in which the mosquitoes come out at night, and it's a very bad because the mosquitoes are doing my kids very badly. So I have a split from the damage because my house fell on the ground flat. So there's a split there, go straight up under, guys. So in the night, the mosquito come up very badly on me and the kids in the night. So we don't sleep well because of the mosquitoes. Come now. And I also have a flooring board in this house, which is very dangerous for my kids. Which because of the house fell, it splits also. It has a split there also. And it's very dangerous for my kids and I would like it to be repaired, guys. If anyone wants to assist me in whatever way possible, guys, you can contact me at this number, 1-876-538-2076. Thank you.
My name is Mark Antonio Wint. I am badly disturbed by the hurricane. You can see it at the gate pop off. You see it, I can come and I can show you what going on in here. You understand? You can see all the top. Then even near on right now. So if a breeze coming in right now.
My God.
Yeah. Can't come around here. See who like the back. Can't see the back. Be a hole in the zinc right now. Be a rain coming for me now. When you see the zinc on it, you know, you still get wet sometime and breeze. Same way mosquito bite and them thing there, you see it. Yeah, man. I do them, they fly off and them way there. So me know a little thing, you know, so me just put up a thing together a little bit. You understand? Yeah, man, I just say thing go. Yeah, man, if I can do a little thing. You see me, I say, but you don't know, me not have a thing them if you have some board me get from one little man and me I say me I put them together, you understand? But you understand, you can see I be a whole board them same way. Yeah, man, see as my zinc them over there. You can see them bend up. See one of them out here, so it's time to do the zinc. Yeah, if anybody out there want to help me right now, me I love that right now, but me really want some zinc, some nail, some zinc nail, some lard, because all of the lard them is them bust up so you can't join. You understand? So me don't even know sometime right now. No work now go on right now. So me just right now me just chill out and just build. Understand? And just build out. Yeah, right now I just say hard me see them have to go clean up all the yard. All the big tree fall right now. Me have a power saw can cut it up same way. Me have to use all the machete and chop it up. I just so you go. You understand? I just weather. Yes, if anyone out there can help me, please contact this number 227-6469. And thank you very much for your support. Yeah. Thank you again.
Morning, sir. How you doing?
Yeah, good morning, man. Good morning, morning.
What is your name?
Veral McLean.
Royal McLean.
Yes.
And I can see that you were badly affected by the hurricane.
Yes, man. Yes. As I can see. You know, my house blow, you see, me have my fridge.
Yes.
Just still outside. A lot of board where we spread out everything. I can't find even my house top, you know, my house top gone.
My God, my
Yeah,
God.
man, my house top gone, and you know.
So that's your dresser up there?
Yeah, that's the dresser. The
Everything
fridge.
outside?
Yeah, I settee there, stove, you know. I don't know if I put them. I don't know where I have to put them.
Oh,
To be
my
honest,
God.
you know. And all, one of the bed broke up. Can't find it.
And you are a resident of Broughton, Westmoreland,
yes,
right?
yes.
And this is what left of your
This
home?
is what left. Just a few clothes me save.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
But nowhere to put them?
nowhere to put them. Because enough people around me still break down, even my cousin over there.
Yes.
Yes, you can look over there and see my cousins can look over there. Same way.
Okay.
All the house that blow up, same way. You still have one chop all in pan place, same way as
My
well.
God.
You know?
So Mr. McLean, if anyone out there should see you and want to give you some help or assistance, how can you be contacted? What's your number?
2233161.
And 876 before that, right?
876-2233-161.
Alright, God bless you.
Yes.
And all the best,
Thank you
alright?
very much.
Yes, sir.
Hello, good morning. My name is Sajay Manning. I'm a resident here at Broughton, Little London. This is what left of my house. Come, let's show you around. This is the stove, this is the fan, everything damaged. And come, let's show you where I'm staying now. So this is where I'm living now because all of my house have blown down.
So you actually made this by yourself?
Yes, sir.
My gosh, let me take a look. So that's your bed right there?
Yes, sir. I have to use this chair in there a lot because the mosquitoes them very bad at night time.
My God. So basically, this is a section of the house that fell down, right?
This is the shop.
Oh, this is the shop?
Yeah, but it's the better spot I could find to catch up something because the house is very flat down right now.
My God.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Manning,
Yes, sir.
how are you managing psychologically? How does this impact you?
Well, many people out there, you know, don't even have a cottage like this to catch up because they lose everything. So I'm just here living and giving thanks, even though I can't make a effort to fix it up back or anything, because it comes down in a time when everything is down. But I still give thanks anyway, because at least I could find a few things to catch it up back and living somewhere. Many people don't have it to live nowhere, so I'm still grateful. I don't know who this is going out to, but I would be grateful for the help and the support.
My God. I hope someone out there, you know, get the chance to see this and
See, I buy a few nails, China little things same way too.
oh, you got some nails?
Some few, just a few.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have some 4-inch nail here, some wall nail. Me just did I go try my best to try catch it up and put the chop hole in over it, because in here so kind of look a bit small, and sometime in the night time I can't get to turn, and sometimes I feel a lot of pain in my back all of a sudden.
Alright, world. So if there's anyone out there that can assist Mr. Manning, please reach out to him. Do you have a contact number?
HE4 6017.
And that's 876 before that, right?
Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Manning. So all the best, and I hope that someone out there will see this video and assist you, right? Stay safe and blessed, right?
Bless.
Yeah, man.
Hello world, my name is Tasra Kitts. I'm a resident of Broughton, and this is my household. It was blown down by Hurricane Melissa. The roofs were gone, also that one also, but we went and get back some of the zinc and repair it, but the inside is leaking whenever rain falls. And for the bathroom also, the same thing, it's just that we got tarpaulin and place over it. So as you can see, this is the bathroom. The top came out, so all we did was use tarpaulin over it. So as you can see, we use some of the zinc. We try to repair them, but they can't be repaired because we wanted to straighten them out, but they have no use. So if you want to reach out to me, my number is 1-876-389-7738.
My name is Hamilton from Broughton community. Right, and lose my house in Melissa, and I want a little help. Because we lose everything, as you see it, everything down, save nothing after run out like in the storm.
In the blazing storm?
Yeah.
My God. How terrified that was?
Well, terrible.
My God.
Because you know when the breeze on, you know, and you have to move in it, you know, it's terrible.
My God.
Yeah.
And what was that experience like for you as a 60-year-old man?
Very rough, very rough. I first ever experienced that life.
My God.
Yeah.
I said, this is what left after your work.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, last everything closed, as you see it, go fridge.
So where are you staying now?
I stay with my family back in Jersey.
My God.
Yeah.
And seeing your home like this that you have worked very hard for, how does this make you feel?
Stress. You know, if you bring back something like this, you know, it take a lot.
A long time.
Yeah, to the age, you know it. You know, easier again. You understand me? So, why I'm glad if me get the help, you know?
My God.
Yeah. Lost everything, master. I cook, bowl. Everything. As you see it.
So these are the stuff that you
That's
work.
what you're inside, yeah.
These are some stuff that you work all your life for, right?
Yeah.
And that's a neighbor over there? That's a neighbor?
Yeah, that's my neighbor.
Okay, so they weren't affected by the hurricane?
No.
Well, thanks be to God.
Yeah, gonna lose a life.
So, Mr. Hamilton.
Yes.
If anyone should see this video and want to help you out by, you know, building up a new home or just any form of help.
Yeah.
How can you be contacted? You know your number?
Yeah, I'll get it from my neighbor and make you get it.
Alright, so you don't know your number by heart?
No.
Alright, so I'll get the number and put it up on the screen for you, right?
Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Hamilton. All the best.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So good morning, ma'am. What is your name?
My name is Blossom Scott.
Blossom Scott, alright. So, Miss Blossom Scott, this is your house?
No, this is my niece's house.
Okay, so where she is now?
She is at work.
Oh my God, so this is what left of her house?
Yeah, this is what left. Most of the zinc are across the neighbors.
And those boards that I'm looking at over there?
That is what we take from the rebels.
Oh my God. Oh my God, that is so sad. Alright, so if anyone want to reach out to her, how would they reach out to her? How would they contact her?
They could reach out to Blossom Scott.
To you?
District Little London.
Alright, give me a contact number for you, in case.
My number is 497-4656.
Alright, 876 at the front, right?
Yes.
Alright, so where is she living now?
She is living at Latbush with some family member.
Oh my God. Alright, so there you have it, world. If anyone out there can assist, what's her name again?
Marcia Barnes.
Marcia Barnes. Please do so. As you can see, it is evident that she was badly affected by Hurricane Melissa.
She worked very hard to bring it to where it was.
My God.
You can see even this, that's what she did started last, you know.
Okay.
It's all gone.
It's all gone. Alright. There you have it once again, world.
And this is also my shop that had gone. You can see it for yourself. I lose everything that was inside it. And my fridge, I used to have a little fish selling, and everything is gone. Nothing going on right now. I really need my shop back. Honestly, if I could get it back, I would be so happy.
My name is Trevor Allen, Broughton, community, Little London. The house damaged, you know, zinc blow off. So I like a little assistant, I love the nail on back zinc themselves, you know. I can't see leather in the yard. I haven't even done it, you see it. We can't buy the nail because we can't have a nail either.
Right.
So far, I hate that, you know.
So I mean, you say you retrieve some of the zinc them and put them back on?
Put them back on. I give that the money also, I zinc them, I put them back on.
But them still a leak?
Them still a leak, man.
So you need some proper zinc?
Yes, sir.
Shelter you and your grandson?
Yeah, man, my great-grandson.
Your great-grandson? Alright, people. So if anybody can assist this gentleman with some zinc, yeah man, he would be grateful. And I'm sure this little one here would be grateful as well.
Yeah.
Yes, Rasta, leave a contact now.
Yeah, 323 98 92.
Right, and that 876 the area code, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so big up yourself, right?
Yes, respect.
Rasta and in great gun.
You want it?
You want to say something to the world? Say hello, world.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name
You can give him, man. Give him, make him holy, man. Say hello, world.
Hello, girl.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
My name
Yes.
is Aiden.
Alright, Rasta. Big up yourself, Aiden. Later, yeah? Yeah, man. Bye-bye. Alright, Rasta. Blessed love, yeah? Every time. Yes, man. Yes, sir. So what is your name?
Rory.
Rory?
Yeah, man, I'm Rory Distin.
Okay, Rory Distin.
From Broughton, you know?
Right.
Yeah, I'm born and grew here in Broughton.
Okay, so this is your home?
This is a part from here to up there where Melissa leave me with right now.
So whose home is this?
Dillian.
Oh, so this is not your house?
Not really my house.
Okay.
It's a friend of mine.
But you stay here?
Yeah, we have to put her on the top there, you see it?
Okay.
And we was trying to build one up there so for myself.
Yes.
But from Melissa gone, from Melissa come, see how we live it there. Okay.
Alright, come show me it now.
Yes, man. See it right there. Yeah, try a little thing, you know. Because I want to have a little place to live in, you know.
Yes, sir.
Because I can't take it push around, my friend.
Yeah, tell her, man. So your house this?
Yeah.
Flat?
Flat out. All the material and damage up and
My God.
And it was looking more on that. I take them and take it away for true, no current no there and it dark and they up there in a bush.
So the thief them coming at the night and take time.
Take a piece of material.
Okay.
So
where the roof? Where the roof is?
Roof there over the ackee tree over there, so you know.
My God.
Over them tree there.
Ah boy. So for now you still down at your birthing house?
Yeah.
So if there's anyone out there can assist you, what would you like them to assist you with?
Well, I don't like if I want a nice little room set up back around where we can have shelter, you know.
Okay, okay.
I see, so you know the pan up there.
Yeah, man, I see it. It's evident, man. So do you have a contact number?
Well, even my phone, I lose my phone, I get wet up, but I can get link up with my mother.
Okay.
And from she link up with you know, she will talk.
Yes,
me
yes.
get a talk and
Alright.
me get a phone.
So I'll get a number for you and put on the screen, right? Yeah, man. Alright, so all the best. Hope someone out there, you know, is touched by what they see here.
Yeah.
And can able to assist you, yeah, man. So all the best, right? There you have it, world.
My name is Adassa Williams. I'm from Broughton. My house was blown down during the hurricane and I need some help. If anyone want to contact me, contact Maggie Films.
That's fine. Alright, so this is your house, Miss Williams? Yeah. My God. So how do you feel knowing that your house was blown down throughout the hurricane?
I was crying all the time. I was crying.
Oh my God.
I was crying.
Take it easy, because you know you have life, and that's the most important thing. Yes, man. And I'm pretty sure that someone out there is going to be touched by this video, and someone, you know, will be reaching out to you pretty soon. All right, Auntie Dassa. So take it easy now.